Okay, in this video we're practicing converting imperfect fractions into mixed numbers. So this first page should be pretty easy, and I hope that it helps us see how we can use division for this. So we're looking at fourths. They're talking about 7/4. Okay, let's count out. There's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4. 7, whoopsies, I did not do a good job of coloring that, 7/4. So we have 1 whole, 4/4, plus another 3/4. So the imperfect fraction is 1 and 3/4. I'm going to zoom in here because I can see. Okay. All right, 5/3. Let's do this one. So we have thirds. 3/3 is 1. So we have 3/3. Plus 4 and 5. Okay, so we have 1 whole and we have 2/3. Okay, 3/2. There's 1/2, 2/2, 3/2. Okay, so that's 1 whole and then 1/2. All right, now we're getting into bigger numbers. 11/4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4/4. 4/4 is 1. And 8/4 is 2, right? 4, 8. Okay, 3 is going to be 4, 8, 12. But we're talking about 11/4. 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here's where I'm trying to get at, is that look at how we can use division. Okay, let's do this one again. 8 divided by 3, or 8/3. Okay, 1 whole is 3/3. 3, 6, 9. We're not talking about 9, we're talking about 8. 3, 6, 7, 8. Oops, we forgot to write the answer down here. So our answer is, this one is 2 and 3/4. This one is 2 and 2/3. Okay, 7/2. 7 divided by 2. Okay, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. Nope, we're not talking about 8, so we have to go to 6. And how many do we have left over? We have 1/2 left over. 7 minus 6 is 1. So that means we have 1, 2, 3, 3 and 1/2. Okay, 15 divided by 4, 15/4. 4, 8, 12. What comes next? 16. Nope, 16. So 12, 13, 14, 15. So what we can say is that we did 15 divided by 4. We can use 3 times 4 is 12. How many do we have left over from after we've colored in 12? We still have 3/4 left over to get to 15. So that becomes 3 and 3/4. Okay, let's talk about it more in that perspective. 9 divided by 2. How many times does 2 go into 9? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. No, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we're going to do 4 times. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so we have 4 whole, but we're talking about 9. So how many halves do we have left over? 9 minus 8, we still have 1 half left over. 4 and 1 half. Okay, 14 thirds. We're going to count up our thirds. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Nope. So we're going to go 3, 6, 9, 12. So 14 divided by 3 is 4, which gets us to 12. How many are left over, right? From between 14 and 12, we still have 2 left over. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14. So that's 4 and 2 thirds. Okay, you can continue this page if you need to. Let's talk about how to do this mathematically. So here, we're going to use that math. We're going to do the division, and we're going to talk about it as a remainder. Okay, 9 divided by 9 halves, or 9 divided by 2. 9 divided by 2, 2, 4. I want you to count up or use your multiplication chart. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Uh-oh, nope, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we're going to go 2 times 4 is 8, right? 2 times 4 is 8. So here, we can write it out on the side, right? We can know 9 divided by 2. We can do our little box. 9 divided by 2. 2 times 4 is 8. How many are left over? We have 1 left over. Oops, my gosh, I should have written it. Sorry. This is where I'm supposed to write 9 divided by 2. Okay, so 9 divided by 2 equals 4 with a remainder of 1. So if it's a remainder of 1, that means we have 4 and remainder of 1 half. Okay, 5 thirds is the same as 5 divided by 3. Okay, count up 3, 6, nope, that doesn't work. So we can only do, let's write it here, 5 divided by 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, how many are left over? 2. So 1 remainder 2. So that means that we have 1 and 2 thirds. All right, let's see if we have a harder, oh here, let's do this bottom one. This one looks hard. 16 fifths is the same as 16 divided by 5. How many times does 5 go into 16? 5, 10, 15. There we go. It goes 3 times. How many are left over? 16 minus 15, remainder of 1. So our answer is 3 and 1 fifth. We have 1/5 left over. All right. You may continue practicing.